Think your toolbox has it all? Think again. In this video, we're revealing 12 of the coolest tools every handyman should have, whether you're a DIY weekend warrior or a full-time fixer. These tools are smart, efficient, and built to make every task faster, cleaner, and more precise. From multifunctional gadgets to game-changing tech, tool number 7 will completely change how you handle repairs. Without further ado, let's dive in. When precision heat is essential, the Wagner HT400 heat gun is your go-to solution. This compact and versatile tool is designed to handle countless tasks, from embossing crafts and drying paint to shrinking electrical tubing and removing adhesives. With 2 temperature settings, low temperature 450 degrees Fahrenheit and high temperature 680 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily match the heat to your project. The small, lightweight design fits into tight spaces and offers 3 ergonomic usage positions: a pencil grip, a palm grip, and hands-free use with the retractable stand for optimal comfort and control. Whether you're crafting, doing repairs, or tackling DIY home projects, the Wagner HT400 delivers concentrated, precise heat exactly where you need it, making it an indispensable tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. When fast, accurate leveling is a must, the Prexiso P1P30 Torpedo laser level has you covered. This multifunctional tool combines laser projection and bubble vials for horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree applications. The laser projects clearly up to 30 meters for 4-point leveling and 10 meters for blind leveling, making it ideal for both short and long-range tasks. An adjustable foot allows fine-tuned precision, while the magnetic V-groove base keeps the level securely in place on metal surfaces for hands-free operation. You can even mount it to a wall or tripod for expanded versatility. Whether you're installing shelving, framing, tiling, or aligning pipes, the Prexiso P1P30 delivers clear, dependable results every time. When precision trimming in tight spots demands a tool beyond the ordinary, the blue Spruce Toolworks Chisel Plane delivers. The blue Spruce Toolworks Chisel Plane is engineered to tackle precision trimming tasks where ordinary tools fall short. Whether you're cleaning up dried glue, refining joinery, trimming plugs, or working into the tightest corners, this plane makes it effortless thanks to its innovative spear point blade. Unlike traditional chisel planes, it features a 1-inch wide Optima iron that locks perfectly in place with a single screw and alignment pin. No complex adjustments required. Each blade is cryogenically treated, hand-lapped, and polished to a mirror finish, then honed to a razor-sharp micro bevel for lasting sharpness. Milled from solid aluminum using precision CNC equipment, the body ensures tight tolerances and remarkable durability. Finished in your choice of anodized black or blue spruce green with a resin-infused figured maple handle, it's a beautifully crafted tool built to last for generations. In demanding job site environments, keeping your food and drinks cold, organized, and protected isn't just convenient. It's essential for staying energized, productive, and prepared throughout long work days. The Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Cooler is built for pros who expect more from their lunchbox. This rugged cooler keeps your food and drinks cold for up to 30 hours, so you can enjoy a fresh meal even after a long shift. With a 17-quart capacity holding up to 18 cans, you'll have plenty of room for snacks and beverages. Beyond cooling, it's also a sturdy seat, rated to handle up to 300 pounds, perfect for taking a break on the job site. The interior includes a dedicated storage compartment to keep essentials like your phone, medicine, and keys clean and organized. A 180-degree hinged lid makes grabbing what you need effortless, without fumbling around. Durable, practical, and thoughtfully designed, the Tradesman Pro Cooler is the ultimate all-in-one solution for staying refreshed and organized while you work. In electrical work, achieving secure, uniform crimps is critical to ensure safe, reliable connections and prevent costly failures or rework. The iCrimp Handy Ratchet Wire Crimping Tool is engineered to deliver precise, reliable crimps with minimal effort. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a water-resistant surface treatment, this tool offers outstanding durability for long-term use. Its polished jaws protect heat-shrink insulation from damage while ensuring smooth, uniform crimps. The built-in ratchet mechanism with a safety release guarantees consistent results every time. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features a shorter handle and lighter weight that make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The ergonomic TPR handles have a comfortable contour that supports effortless one-handed operation. Compact and portable, the iCrimp Handy Ratchet Wire Crimping Tool is an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit, combining strength, innovation, and ease of use in one efficient package. When working with soft copper or aluminum piping, achieving clean, precise expansions is essential for secure, leak-free connections. The REFCO hydraulic expander tool is the ideal solution for effortlessly expanding soft copper and aluminum pipes with precision and ease. Its advanced hydraulic design allows you to create clean, uniform sockets in just a few simple pumps, significantly reducing manual effort and saving time. Suitable for pipe diameters ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 3/8 inches, this compact expander fits perfectly into tight spaces where conventional tools can't reach. The 12-degree angle design supports ergonomic operation, helping to reduce hand and wrist strain during repetitive use. Built from high-quality materials with a water-resistant surface treatment, this tool is engineered for long-lasting durability and dependable performance. Whether you're working on HVAC installations or plumbing repairs, the REFCO hydraulic expander is a reliable addition to any professional's toolkit. In welding work, protecting your eyes and face from intense light, sparks, and debris is crucial for safety and comfort. The Jackson Safety Translight Flip Premium Welding Helmet is an advanced solution designed to elevate safety, comfort, and productivity for professional welders. Its innovative flip-up design features an extra-large grinding shield that improves peripheral vision and helps reduce downtime by letting you switch tasks without removing the helmet. A standout feature is the 370 speed dial headgear, which uses a fine-tooth ratcheting adjuster and a rear swivel headband to deliver even weight distribution and a customized fit that eliminates pressure points. With a perfect optical clarity rating, you'll experience a crisp, unobstructed view of your work area, while ultra-fast switching speeds minimize eye strain and fatigue. Built for demanding environments, the Translight Flip combines durability, precision, and all-day comfort, making it a next-generation welding helmet you can rely on. For professionals tackling a variety of welding projects, having a versatile, reliable welding machine is essential. The Scheppach multi-welding machine meets this need by supporting multiple welding processes: MIG, MMA, lift TIG, and cord wire welding, allowing you to work efficiently on stainless steel, iron, and aluminum. Its adjustable current of up to 120 amps provides precise control, ensuring quality welds on different materials and thicknesses. Compact features like internal gas cylinder storage and an integrated pressure regulator with a gauge make it convenient and easy to use on any job site. This multifunctional welding machine is a must-have for welders who demand flexibility, power, and accuracy in their work. When working on DIY projects or professional repairs, having a compact yet powerful tool that can access tight spaces and deliver strong torque is essential. The Trend Impact Driver fits the bill perfectly with its low-profile design and powerful brushless motor delivering 145 Newton-meters of torque. It easily handles heavy-duty fixings and stubborn bolts, while its no-load cut-off reverse function improves safety and extends tool life. With 2-speed settings and a comfortable slimline grip, it offers precise control for both delicate screws and tougher fasteners. The built-in LED work light ensures visibility in dark or confined areas. This impact driver is a must-have for anyone who wants to work efficiently and comfortably on a wide range of fastening tasks. When you're working on any project, keeping your most used tools organized, accessible, and secure is essential. The ToughBuilt tape measure and utility knife pouch ensures that your tape measure, utility knife, screwdrivers, and notes are always right at your side, ready when you need them. Whether you're on a ladder, moving across a job site, or working in tight spaces, this pouch saves time by preventing unnecessary trips to grab tools. Built to withstand the rigors of professional work with heavy-duty construction and rivet-reinforced stress points, it's designed to handle daily wear and tear. For tradespeople who value efficiency, durability, and smart organization, this pouch is an indispensable part of getting the job done right. Breaking thick concrete structures, beams, or slabs is a common but demanding challenge on construction and demolition sites. Using traditional methods like jackhammers can be time-consuming, noisy, and exhausting. The Edelgrappa Concrete Crusher is essential because it provides a faster, cleaner, and more controlled way to break concrete without excessive vibration or dust. Its powerful crushing force and wide opening allow you to tackle dense concrete effortlessly, saving time and labor. For professionals who need efficient demolition, precise removal, and safer working conditions, a robust concrete crusher isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Cutting sheet metal and other tough materials is often time-consuming, dangerous, and messy when using grinders, tin snips, or plasma cutters. These methods create sparks, warped edges, and require tedious cleanup. The CaNibble Professional Nibbler tool is a revolutionary cutting attachment that transforms any standard drill into a precise, safe, and effortless sheet material cutter. Unlike grinders or shears that create sparks, heat, and distortion, the CaNibble uses a patented cutting action to produce clean, burr-free edges without warping. It can cut materials up to 2 millimeters thick, including sheet metal, stainless steel, copper, plastics, and even soft materials like leather. With 360 degrees cutting capability, you can easily follow curves, cut perfect circles, or make straight lines. The tool attaches quickly to any drill working at 1,500 to 3,000 RPM, making it highly portable and versatile. Whether you're a roofer, mechanic, DIYer, or craft enthusiast, the CaNibble saves time and effort on any project while delivering professional results. So that's our list of 12 awesome handyman tools that can seriously upgrade any project. Which one do you think deserves a spot in every toolbox? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more must-see gear reviews, tool hacks, and handyman tips. Until next time, keep building, keep fixing, and stay ahead of the game.